Hello and welcome to All Taste German. Germans are known for their love of potatoes. One of the very popular potato dishes are fried potatoes. In this video I will show you the basic recipe for fried potatoes called Bratkartoffeln in German. First, you need to peel the potatoes and cut them into equal half-inch slices or cubes. It is important that they are more or less the same size, or they will not cook evenly and you will end up with some super soft and some hard potato pieces. Add the potato pieces to a bowl with water to wash off the starch. This ensures that you will get nice crispy potatoes. Heat the oil and butterschmalz on medium-high in a large pan. Drain the potatoes and add them to the pan. Cover the pan with a lid. Fry the potatoes for about 5 minutes before you stir the potatoes for the first time. Then continue to fry them for about 20 to 30 minutes with a covered lid and stir them occasionally. Keep an eye on the temperature to avoid burning the potatoes. In the meantime, cube the onion and add on top of the potatoes. Don't stir them in yet, just cover the pan for another 5 minutes. Now you can mix the potatoes and the onions. Season with salt, pepper and paprika powder to taste and fry the mixture for about 5 more minutes without a lid. Serve hot with your favorite meat or fish dish. Guten Appetit!